Well, hello everyone. So this is the beginning stages of the nail design we're going to be working on this week, and it's a fairly simple design to do. It's not very time consuming. I could have did this design on all of my nails, but I decided to just do the 2 accent nails so I can get done a little bit quicker because I have something that I have to do. So I'm a little bit busy today. Busy week. So anyway, the first thing I did was for my pinky, pointer finger, and thumb, I painted all over. On my 2 accent nails, you can see I just did like a side swipe, and it's not straight or anything like that because I'm going to be hand painting on top of it. So I didn't have to get it extremely neat. The nail polish that I use is by Clean Colors. It's number 81, and it's called Red Alert. Really pretty red nail polish, and I only applied 1 coat on my nails. I probably should have did 2, but I don't see any streaks or anything like that, so I just applied 1 on my nails so to dry faster. The next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using 2 different colors of acrylic water paint. As you can see, I'm just going to be using black and white pretty much. I'm going to keep this design as simple as I possibly can. All of my nails, the design part here that you see on my nails, all of them is not the same. They kind of look the same, but not exactly. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So that is basically it for this nail design. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.